So we've just got off the metro at Al Ras, and we're going to have a walk along the Riverside and through some of the souks. So this is one of my favourite places, just to come out for an hour's walk and just to look around. It's the Riverside at Al Ras. There's a number of souks around here if you walk for a while, and you're on the side of the riverside here, and on the other side is the old town, the old city, which in its own right is good to look at and take a trip out to. They have a souk there and they have a museum, so it's good to walk around. But as you can see, these boats, they're mainly for pleasure cruising now, whereas years ago, well, only up to 2 years ago, this used to be a thriving part of the river where boats used to take... Hello?
Good evening. Round trip?
No, I'm walking, thanks.
Okay.
Thank you. Yeah, how much is a round trip?
120, 1 hour.
120. Just me?
1 people, 2 people, same price.
Oh, right. Okay, I'll remember that. 100. 100.
120.
120. Okay. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. So yeah, I didn't ask him, he just came up to me and asked me if I wanted to go on a boat. He wanted 120 dirhams for an hour, which 120 is 22 pound, 24 pounds, something like that for an hour. Whether there's 1 of you or 10 of you, that is good value for an hour's trip on the river. But you can get these boats just to the other side for a couple of dirhams, and if that's all you want to get from one side to the other, that's really good value anyway. So yeah, as you can see, they're mainly pleasure tourist boats now, but where I'm looking now used to be a thriving area of the river where boats used to offload and they used to load up with their stock. It used to be great to watch, but times move on, I suppose. You can still hear the sounds of the river and the engines of the boats. And once you get in the souks, you can smell and hear the vibe of the souks. And this area is Deira, with the old town on the other side. And just to the left of the mosque tower there is the souk. And it's not an old souk, it's been made to look like a souk, but it's worth having an hour or two walk round there. Get involved with the banter and the haggling with the shop owners, which I like to do. So we're going to cross the road here and go into the souk. It's quite a busy road, so maybe I've got to go in the subway here. You go down the little alleyways, it's just more of the same. Oh, very nice, thank you. I think this is what they call the Utensil Souq, so more household type items. Yeah, very nice, thank you. Yeah.
Video, make video, come here.
Video?
What is this? Sunday.
No. Thank you.
I show you perfume. Where are you from? UK?
Yeah.
What is this? This one.
No, you're okay.
Perfume.
Thanks again.
Rolex से bridling होने का
I have a real one. Yeah, he's trying to sell me fake Rolexes there. We'll go down this little alleyway. It's an adventure coming here if you don't take it too serious and get drawn in. Yeah, this is Al Ras Station, and as you can see from the pictures on the walls, they're all based around the fishing industry of years ago. Like I mentioned in my vlog earlier on the vlog, it used to be a fishing and freight part of the river. All that seems to have gone now, and it's more tourism type boats. Right, we've just got off the train now at Healthcare City, so making our way back to the Grand Hyatt. It's about a 5 to 10 minute walk. We have the Raffles Dubai.